So hi everyone. The reason I hate PayPal because you can clearly see I have 58 cents available in my account. I received on 25th April, but the transaction is not successful. I mean, the balance should be automatically to withdraw to my bank account on next day. You can also check out the information on PayPal website, but unfortunately it's 2 days, guys. The transaction is not completing. I mean, the USD amount is not transferred to my bank account. I don't know why. I hate really PayPal because of some of the reasons, and also there is no mass payment in India, and we cannot load money on PayPal, and it is not work like a wallet. It is only work as a gateway. So some of the reasons, that's why I hate PayPal, but it is the best way to send money, receive money quickly from anywhere in the world. Almost 200 countries supports PayPal, guys. Okay, that's it for today, and thank you for watching.